Hello friends, welcome to SIF German Language Institute. My name is Anand and in this video we are going to see how to register for Goethe's German language exam. Let it be A1, A2, B1, any level exam. The registration process online will be same. The exam registration process will be online, but the exam conducted will be offline. Now once you decide which center of Goethe-Institut you want to write the exam, then you will go to official website of Goethe-Institut, you will check that center page, you will check the exam dates mentioned, exam dates given, and then there itself you will see that registration date for that particular exam date is mentioned there. For example, if your exam is on 15th of March, then your registration date will be somewhere 1 month before, let's say 15th of February. So on that day, that exam will be open for booking. Okay, right now if you check, it will be mentioned there, this is the exam date, this is the exam registration fees, and this is the exam registration date. But on that day, it will show book. Means that exam date, registration date will not be there, booking option will be there. So once you click on the book, your registration process starts. Okay, but before you register for your exam, you should make sure that you are preparing very well for your exam, A1 or A2, whatever it is. Yes, so you can check our A1 exam preparation series on YouTube channel at SIF Institute. That series A1 as well as A2, these two series are available. B1 is coming soon. Okay, so if you go through that series, it will take around 3 to 4 days if you properly follow the instructions I have given in that series. If you follow everything, that series will be your ultimate guide for success in Goethe's exam. Okay, so don't forget to check that series, and in case you haven't learned German and you wish to learn German online, then our online courses are available. Our online courses are interactive with lot of speaking practice, proper grammar sessions, concept clearing sessions will be there with audio training. Okay, that will be covered of course in the course. So proper interactive sessions are there with lot of speaking practice. So if you wish to learn German language, contact on this given number, and if you wish to prepare for these exams, you can follow these two series. And now let's get started. Let's see how to register for Goethe's exam. So now today when I was recording this video, I found like only Kolkata location is there where booking is open today for A1 exam. So I thought I will book for Kolkata to just show you how is it. Okay, so now here you see below here in the green patch that Goethe Certificate A1, A1 level. But there are two exams. One is young people, that is fit in Deutsch, that is up to the age of 16, and second is for adults, 16 plus. Students, those who are 16 years or older than that, they will write the Start Deutsch ein. Okay, so this is what normally you will call German A1. So let's click on that. So here you can see, okay, now 16th of January 2025 we have this exam, and let's say we are booking for this one. You will see here the date is given and online registration date, then that is 20th of December to 1st of Jan, in between we have to register. So here it is given, the fees is 9,400 rupees for external students. Let's say if you're studying on your own or you're studying at some other institute, okay, the fees will be, but you are not studying at Goethe-Institut. So if you are not studying German language at Goethe, then you need to pay 9,400. If you are studying at Goethe-Institut, then your exam fees will be 7,000. So for us, when we are registering as an external student, it will be 9,400. And now you see here book option, the green button. This is visible today because this slot is bookable, means it is open for booking today. Okay, if it is not open for booking, that date will be mentioned here on which date you can book. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on this and let's see what happens. Okay, so now you get the information about this exam here, like general exam, you see here written exam and speaking exam. For before written exam, there are three symbols given here, that is reading, listening and writing. That means written exam is not only written, it will be three modules. It will cover three modules, that is reading, writing and listening. Let's check the details. Sometimes students get confused when they see only written and speaking, and they ask me at the time of booking, they call me like, Anand, I see only written and speaking only. I don't see the option of reading and listening. But if you check details, okay, you will notice that it is reading, listening and writing. These three modules will be covered in this section. And then next is speaking. In speaking, only speaking is there. Like this, there are total 4 modules. Now right side, you can check here the date, like 16 Jan. Okay, that is the exam date. And morning 10 to 11 o'clock, your 3 modules will be covered. And then next will be your speaking module. That timing is given here, 11:45 to 16. It doesn't take this long. The total duration of your speaking will be around 15 to 20 minutes only, but you will be attending that in the group of 4. That's why they have given that slot. You have no idea at what time they will call you, so you be available between that time there. Okay, so once your speaking is done, you can leave. That's it. So now here you understood. Let's continue now here, and you will see this, book for my child. If you are booking it for your child, then you should select this option, but if you are booking for yourself, select this blue button. Okay, click on this. So now you can see here the selected product is for participants from 16 years. For participants under 18 years, a legal guardian must carry out the booking. Means if the student who is writing is younger than 18, then it will be like someone should be there to book. Otherwise, you can book it for yourself if you yourself are 18 or plus. I'm booking for myself. Now you see here 2 options. Left side, already a customer, and right side, new to the Goethe-Institut. Now customer here, don't take it literally like you have to be the customer of Goethe-Institut. It is simply if you have already registered yourself on Goethe's website. Okay, Goethe's website, you have to create your account before you register for the exam. Okay, now if you already have account, then put your email address and password. Okay, otherwise right side you can click on that register and you can create your account. Okay, but at the time of booking for that exam, if you do this registration process, you will surely not get any seat. Okay, the booking will be full, immediate. Okay, now I have chosen here Kolkata location. They have given a long duration, like in these 6-7 days you can book for the exam. But mostly if you are booking for some other locations, you will get no time. In 3 minutes only you need to finish your booking. Okay, so this registration process should be done well in advance, even if the booking is not open. That you can do. And how you can do that? Just check this. Okay, you see here on the top mygoethe.de, this option here. If you click on this, you will see here logout option. There in your case, now why logout? Because I'm already logged in. So if you will find the option of login here. If you log in, you simply need to put your email address, one password and your country. That's it. And then you will receive one verification mail on your mail address. There you just click on that link and put password once again and your account is active. Okay, it is that simple. Once again, I'm telling you, instead of logout here, you will find the option of login, and then when you log in, register yourself, you will put your email address, password and select your country. Okay, then you will receive a verification link on your email address. You need to click there and put that password once again and your account will be active. Okay, and once your account is active, once you receive that link and you put that password again, then the same email address and password you will put here. Now do not forget that password, because let's say in case you forget your password, you put your wrong password here, then you will have to click forgotten your password, then reset your password. You will again won't get any seat for exam. Okay, so you should mention your email address and password somewhere. I will say just type your email address, password, your name, your surname. If you think you cannot type it fast, you can copy paste. That is the best option. Keep it typed already in Word file or somewhere so that you can just copy paste easily. It will be fast, quick. Okay, but if you can type fast, that is fine, but don't forget the password. Resetting password means you lost that exam, you lost that booking. Okay, so that is one thing. And now I hope you understood that you don't have to register now because you have already registered. Put that email address here, like I have already logged in, so I will put my email address and password. This saying please wait. Okay, so do you have any promotional code? No. Okay, simply you get, this is one page where if you have any promotional code, put that, but no one usually has promotional code, so you simply need to check the price. Yes, it is including 18% GST, and then simply continue. After that, it is confirming that you need your credit card, and here is one more step where usually students they miss the booking because their card has to have international transaction active. So use the credit card on which you can do your international transactions. Okay, if your international transactions are blocked at the time of payment, you will have problem, it will be rejected, you will have to do the process once again and you miss the booking then. Okay, so keep the credit card ready, mostly again the number typed somewhere so that you can simply copy and paste the number. Okay, now once you have your credit card, you will simply click here continue, and then check order. You can check your all the details. Okay, you can edit your details if you think something is wrong here, but again I will say mention your details there, address and everything. Now why I have my details already here? Because I had already filled the form. Okay, now I couldn't open that form, but that form filling is quite easy. If you check, simply name, address, postal postal code, pin code, and then Maharashtra, India, that will automatically take it. I didn't type Maharashtra, India, Pune. I didn't even type that. I just put the pin code and it automatically give me all these details. So my name and address and this thing. So your address should be your postal address, date of birth that I had to mention, and the birthplace. Okay, so birthplace, date of birth, and your contact details here, mobile number and email address. These things must be correct. Okay, so method of payment is credit card. You can check your details, you can still edit, but you should avoid any mistake here, because if you go and edit and again do some corrections, you will miss the booking. Okay, so you have to be quick, and when I'm saying quick means no mistake should be done. Okay, so now here again some details you got, exam details, date and everything, so that you shouldn't book any wrong exam. And then these details you should check. Mostly if you last time you check that, you don't even have to read it. Okay, just check your details here, personal details, contact details, correct. Okay, simply order subject to charge, just simply click on that order. Okay, and this is how you will be redirected to the payment option. Put your credit card details. As I said, even keep your credit card number typed so that you can simply copy and paste. When the page is loading, then only you should go and copy and paste it here immediate. Okay, and this is how just make the payment, and once your payment is received, then your exam booking is done. Okay, so in case you don't get the seat, you will get the email of waiting, then payment will not be done. That you will understand, and if your payment is done, consider your booking is done. Okay, so if there is no seat while booking that exam itself, it will show that it is full, or you will get some waiting option. Okay, so but if you are quick, if you have all the information typed immediately and your pages are loading fast, okay, then it will be done easily. Once you make the payment, it is done. Okay, you will receive confirmation email, and that's it. Then start preparing aggressively for your exam. And yeah, when you register for your exam, make sure that you are prepared well for the exam, and for that our series of Goethe A1 exam preparation, A2 exam preparation, this series you should check. Okay, this process is same for A1 or A2, the registration process, that is not different than each other. So you need to just prepare very well for the exam. Once you register, you will get some time. Okay, and don't forget to watch that series, my series on YouTube, on our ASAP Institute channel, Goethe A1 exam preparation for A1 and A2 level. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful and you got the clear idea like how to register for Goethe A1 exam. If you think this video was useful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your other friends or family members, those who are interested writing Goethe Institute exam. If you wish to learn German, contact us on this given number below. Okay, so choose and see you in our next video.